Hello, today I'm going to be repairing the broken flange on this little 10 horsepower starter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill holes in both the flange and its broken piece, and then I'm going to join them with a steel band. The first thing I do is I punch a little guide hole, so I do that everywhere I need to drill a hole. Then I can actually drill the holes. I start with a small bit, and then I move up to a larger one to finish it out. Then for each hole I've drilled, I'm going to come in with this tap and I'm going to give it threads. Now I'm taking the tap out, so the threads have been cut on all the holes I want. Then I can make the band, so I'm going to just shear it off with a cold cut chisel and a hammer to the size I want. Once I'm done that, I drill holes in it. I line up with those holes with the ones I've made in the flange, and then the whole thing will be secured as an entire unit. So here's what it ends up looking like. I've got a bunch of bolts in here, and that's just going to hold this pretty solid, and it's been serving me well.